Nirvana Healthcare presents Compassion in Action, Chop and Shop. At Nirvana Healthcare, compassion doesn't stop at our doors. That's why we created CHOP, Community Healthcare Outreach Program, and SHOP, Senior Healthcare Outreach Program. With CHOP and SHOP, we deliver medical care to patients who need us most, in the community, at home, where it matters. So, what kind of care do we offer? Our services include care for seniors and homebound patients, community outreach, behavioral health support, vaccination program, including COVID-19, healthcare testing, telehealth and telepsych services, and much more. Every visit is more than just care, it's connection. CHOP and SHOP support seniors, homebound patients, and their caregivers, ensuring no one feels forgotten. Home care professionals like you are essential to what we do. With each referral, you help us reach patients who would otherwise go unseen. Together, we ensure that care continues, beyond hospitals, beyond offices, and into the homes of those who need it most. Let's make healthcare personal, mobile, and human. Refer a patient to CHOP or SHOP today. Keep them safe and keep them supported.
Compassion in action begins with a vision. To understand what we do, you have to understand who we are. It began with passion and commitment that defined integrity and character. In a neighborhood clinic tucked between brick and tree, they built something greater than a practice. They built a legacy. When the 1967 Newark riots shook the city and many fled, Dr. Alphonse and Dr. Svetlana Salerno chose to stay. They stood with their community to care, to heal, and to rebuild, planting deeper roots in the very place others left behind. That trust still lives here, not in the sound of machines, but in the silence between them, in spaces made for reflection, in rooms shaped for healing and listening, where providers touch patients, not keyboards. Their son understood what they stood for. That care is not a transaction. That true medicine is measured not in metrics, but in memory, in meaning. This is not a facility. This is a sanctuary, a continuation of one family's quiet vow that healthcare can still feel human and be transformative. At Nirvana Healthcare, legacy is not something we look back on. It's something we live, every patient, every detail, every day.